Hey guys, check out this beautiful light and fan, which is perfect for any room in the house, or if you want to install it on your patio outdoors. The fan blades are made out of real wood. Comes with a remote control, which has 6 speeds for the fan, and it goes in both directions. Let me show you how to put this fan together and mount it to your ceiling. First, install the hanging bracket. Now install the hanging rod. If you want your ceiling fan to be lower, you're going to use the longer rod. If you want it higher, you're going to use the shorter one. Feed the wire through this rod. Make sure the small screw hole is on the top. We're going to feed from the bottom of the rod. Loosen these screws. Insert this pin that has the clip. And tighten the screws. Now insert this cover. Then this cap. Now you can insert this hanging ball on top. Also feed all the wires through. Insert this pin. And then tighten the screws. Hang the fan and twist it until it falls into the grooves. Make sure your electricity is off and connect the black wire to black and white to white. Now that the receiver is connected, we can go ahead and slide it right over the ball. And now we can connect all 5 wires from the receiver to the main unit. They are all color-coded. Tuck away all cords neatly. Make sure nothing is in the way of this area at the bottom here. Nothing is sticking out. And hang this cap and tighten it with these 2 screws. Install the fan blades with this groove down. Insert 2 screws with the washer like that. Now install the lamp fitter. Remove 1 screw. Loosen the 2 other screws. And now tighten all the screws. Attach the light. It's magnetic, so it'll just attach there and connect it. The cover install just by twisting to the right. There we go. Now you can turn on electricity. Install 2 AAA batteries into the remote, and you're ready to use it.